Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to see the new type of integral. Now see, formula I have written here. Integration e raised to x fx plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into fx plus c. Now see the general sum. Integration e raised to x sin x प्लस cos x dx क्या आएगा इंटीग्रेशन e raised to x sin x plus cos x dx by using this formula. What is fx here? Fx is equal to sin x. Why fx is sin x? Because derivative of sin x is cos x. Fx is equal to sin x, f dash x is equal to cos x. By using this formula, what is the answer? I is equal to e raised to x into fx. That is e raised to x into fx is sin x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now see the second sum from your book. I is equal to integration 2 plus cot x minus cos x square x dx. We have to use the same formula. E raised to x fx plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into fx plus c. Now what is fx here? We know that derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x. 2 is constant, derivative of constant term is 0. So take here fx is equal to 2 plus cot x. Fx is 2 plus cot x. What is f dash x? Derivative of 2 plus cot x. 2 is constant. Derivative of constant term is 0. Derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x. Fx is 2 plus cot x. F dash x is minus cos x square x. By using this formula, e raised to x fx plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into fx. Fx is 2 plus cot x. So what is the answer? E raised to x into 2 plus cot x plus c. Isn't it? Now one more simple sum. I is equal to integration e raised to x 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square dx. What is fx here? Fx is equal to, what is fx? 1 upon x. Why 1 upon x? Because derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So fx is 1 upon x, f dash x is equal to minus 1 upon x square. So what is the answer? So answer is e raised to x, fx is 1 upon x plus c. So it is e raised to x upon x plus c. This is the required answer. Okay, now अभी थोड़ा सा बड़ा सम लेते हैं. Next one. E raised to x 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. I is equal to integration e raised to x 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx is equal to integration e raised to x. Now here substitute the value of sin x. We know that sin to x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin to x is 2 sin x cos x. For half angle, sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So this becomes 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by. Now here in denominator 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. For half angle, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Now here divide by 2 cos square x by 2, e raised to x, 2 cos square x by 2 से डिवाइड कीजिए, so ये becomes 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Now simplify this. Integration e raised to x 1 upon 2, 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. 1 upon cos square x by 2 is sec square x by 2 plus here 2 get cancel, एक cos x by 2 cancel होगा, sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 into dx. Now here we know that derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. Derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. So what is fx here? Fx is equal to tan x by 2 और tan x by 2 f dash x क्या आएगा? Derivative of tan x by 2 is sec square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2 is half. So tan x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव आएगा हाफ sec square x by 2, half sec square x by 2. So this is fx, this is f dash x. By using फॉर्मूला लिखता हूँ यहाँ पर, by using integration e raised to x fx plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into fx plus c. So what is fx here? E raised to x. fx is into tan x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Do you understand? Is that clear? Okay. Now we'll take the next one. Okay, this is the fourth sum. Now we'll take the fifth one. Okay, now see, integration x upon I is equal to integration e raised to x into x upon x plus 1 whole square, x upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Now here adjust the term of denominator in the numerator without changing the value. Denominator is x plus 1 square. So adjust here x plus 1 in the numerator. So this becomes integration e raised to x, x plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. Simple adjustment divided by x plus 1 the whole square into dx. क्या किया? Add and subtract 1. Now take the separate terms. Separate the terms. E raised to x, x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Here x plus 1 एक ब्रैकेट कैंसिल होगा, क्या रहेगा? 1 upon x plus 1. So this becomes e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. What is fx here? We know that derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So here fx is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 because derivative of 1 upon x plus 1 is minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So fx is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. Therefore f dash x is f dash x minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. सो आंसर क्या आएगा, ई रेस टू एक्स इंटू एफ एक्स. ई रेस टू एक्स, एफ एक्स इज 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1. सो इट इज ई रेस टू एक्स अपॉन x plus 1 plus 3. This is the answer. Is that clear? Do you understand? Okay, now we take the next one. Fifth sum is over. Now take the sixth one. Okay, I is equal to integration x plus root 1 minus x square upon root 1 minus x square into e raised to sine inverse x dx. Now here we have to use the substitution. Put sine inverse x is equal to t. Put sine inverse x is equal to t. Derivative of sine inverse x is adjustable here. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Sine inverse x का derivative 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. t का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x dt अपॉन dx. dx क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आया तो साइन इनवर्स x इक्वल टू t का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर dx इज इक्वल टू dt. साइन इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू t तो x इज इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, साइन t. इनवर्स बिकम्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक. सो पुट x इज इक्वल टू साइन t, x स्क्वायर इज साइन स्क्वायर t, 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx is dt. Here sin inverse x is t. So the new integral sin t plus root 1 minus sin square t into e raised to t dt. 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx is dt. So this can be written as, write down e raised to t first. Sin t plus 1 minus sin square t by using first fundamental identity, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Therefore 1 minus sin square t is cos square t dt. Now take the square root of cos square t. Square and square root cancelled, so it becomes integration e raised to t sin t cos square t का square root cos t dt. Now what is ft here? Ft is sin t, because derivative of sin t is cos t. F dash t cos t. By using this formula, what is the answer? E raised to x into fx, e raised to t into ft. So it is e raised to t ft. ft is equal to sin t plus c. What is e raised to t? t का वैल्यू पुट कीजिए sin इनवर्स x, e raised to sin इनवर्स x and sin t is equal to x. So I is equal to sin t is x, e raised to sin inverse x plus c. Okay, sin t is x, e raised to sin inverse x. This is the answer. Okay, चलिए वन मोर सम लेते. ओके, चलिए I is equal to cosec log x 1 minus cot log x. Cosec log x in bracket 1 minus cot log x, 1 minus cot log x dx. Okay, now see this one, multiply by cosec log x, cosec log x into 1, cosec log x minus cosec log x into cot log x into dx. Now take here substitution. Put log x is equal to t. Put log x is equal to t. If log x is equal to t, तो x is equal to क्या आएगा? e raised to t. x is equal to e raised to t. Differentiate with respect to x. क्या आएगा इसका डेरिवेटिव? x का डेरिवेटिव 1 इज इक्वल टू e रेस टू t इंटू डी टी अपॉन डी एक्स. तो dx इज इक्वल टू आएगा e रेस टू t dt. तो dx का वैल्यू हुआ e रेस टू t dt. log x इज t. सो दिस इंटीग्रल बिकम्स cosec t माइनस cosec t इंटू cot t इंटू e रेस टू t dt. So what is ft here? Derivative of cosec theta is minus cosec theta into cot theta. So ft is equal to cosec t, f dash t is equal to cosec t minus cos t, minus cosec t into cot t. Okay, by using the above formula, answer आएगा I is equal to e raised to t into ft is cosec t plus c. Substitute the value of t, e raised to t, e raised to t is equal to x. So it is x cosec t is log x plus c. This is the answer. Do you understand? Okay, any problem? Okay, now one more sum is for your homework. This is one. एक सम आपको होमवर्क के लिए देता हूँ. Okay, 7th one. E raised to x upon x, x into log x whole square plus 2 log x dx. This is for your homework, for your practice. Okay, next type of integral we'll take in the next video.